In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open two folders side by side in Adobe Bridge. If you've ever found yourself needing to compare contents or manage files from different directories at once, this feature will undoubtedly come in handy. Adobe Bridge offers a great way to streamline your workflow by allowing you to view multiple folders simultaneously. So, let's walk through how to set this up. First, begin by launching Adobe Bridge, which should look familiar with its organized interface. Open the first folder as you typically would. This involves using the main content panel, a central area where all your files and folders are displayed for easy access. Navigate through your directory tree until you find the first folder you want to examine and click on it to open. You'll see its contents displayed in the main window. Now, to open a second folder for side-by-side viewing, you'll need to create an additional content panel. This is a straightforward process. Look for the small plus symbol, the New Content tab icon, located near the existing Content tab. Clicking this icon will immediately instantiate a new content panel for you. Alternatively, if you prefer using menus or keyboard shortcuts, you can achieve the same result by going to the File menu and selecting New Content tab. For the keyboard inclined, use Ctrl plus Shift plus T if you're on a Windows machine, or CMD plus Shift plus T if you're using Mac OS. This will also open a fresh Content Panel tab. With your new Content Panel open, you can now navigate to the second folder you wish to view. Just as you did before, traverse through your folders and select the directory you want to display in this second panel. Now you have two Content Panel tabs, each displaying different directories. The magic happens when you position these tabs side by side for optimal comparison and efficiency. To do this, click and hold the second Content Panel tab and drag it outwards. This action undocks the tab, allowing you to place it in a separate region of your workspace. You can rearrange your panels so that one panel is on the left side of your screen while the other is on the right. This setup gives you a comprehensive view of both folders, making it easier than ever to move files between them or to simply compare their contents. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently use Adobe Bridge to its full potential, improving your file management skills considerably. Whether you're a professional photographer managing large volumes of images, a designer working on multiple projects, or anyone who benefits from efficient organization, this tip can make your workflow much smoother. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips like this one.